In the astrology of May 31st through June 2nd, we have some very powerful energies in the astrology. So tonight, actually, we have the Sun in Gemini in a waning triseptile with Poseidon in Scorpio. And so the power of this being a waning triseptile is it's very reflective of the past. You're going to be noticing that there are certain things that may have felt as though they are no longer on the table. They are things that you tried to do before. Maybe you failed. Maybe circumstances changed. It seemed to be impossible after that point, though, and you thought maybe I just have to let go of this dream once and for all. What ends up happening with this waning triseptile is a certain way in which the universe and fate tries to realign you to try again. And what's really interesting about that is, of course, this upcoming Sunday, which we're already experiencing the energy of, we have Jupiter in Gemini forming a trine with Pluto in Aquarius. So there's this powerful teamwork that's happening between these two energies. And the teamwork that happens here essentially causes a very intense mass resurrection of ideas, projects, things that we've wanted to work on, things we were passionate about, things we wanted to learn more about, things we wanted to even teach. So there's going to be a whole lot of these things coming up in the collective over the next few days. Starting tonight, you're probably going to feel a lot of inspiration towards old ideas that you kind of thought were off the table, but now suddenly you're realizing, hey, there's actually a chance here where I can do this. And at the same time, you might feel discouraged because with Jupiter Gemini, it is in its detriment, and it does have a difficult time there, but at the same time, you are not starting back at square one, because the knowledge and wisdom you have this time around, if you retry this thing that didn't work out before, you will be so much farther along, so much faster, you'll have so much easier of a time to do it, and you will be so much more measured in your expectations. So it's an important thing, basically, not to be absurdly optimistic, absurdly idealistic, and at the same time not to give up on an idea just because it didn't work out in the past, especially because who you are now and the way that the transits are aligning are trying to realign you with where it is that you need to go, especially in context to your Plutonian soul evolution, the evolutionary journey that you take throughout the lifetime. So this weekend, if you have some idea that seems like it's long gone, it already happened, that ship already sailed, now is the time to try and sail it once again. So thank you guys for tuning in, and I will talk to you all on Monday.